Hi, this is Kase Philippines, and today we're going to do an unboxing and initial impression. This is the Kase magnetic Mattebox. Let's check it out. So meron akong camera dito. I have the Z-Cam with a Samyang 50mm lens. I used to have a Mattebox here wherein I can put cinema filters. I have it here, I'll show you. Ito yung aking Filta Mini Mattebox. Meron akong 4 inches by 5.65 na mattebox, na cinema filters. Ayan, makapal siya, makapal. Ang gamit ng mattebox is not just to block sun rays or light flares, but also nilalagyan siya ng ND filters which is specifically designed for mattebox. And then, simulan na nating unbox tong magnetic mattebox from Kase Filters. Dito muna natin. Surgical blades, Philippines. So, thank you to Flora for sending this gift. Flora and Tiffany of Kase Filters Global. So, this magnetic mattebox is called Movie Mate Magnetic Mattebox. This is the V&D kit. I got the V&D kit kasi mas flexible sa akin to, lalo pa when switching from outdoor to indoor. You can easily adjust the variable ND to your desired proper exposure. What's included in the box is the holder, the hood, the inserted filter support, magnetic filter frame for your cinema filters. This one, it has a magnetic circular variable ND, 1.5 stop to 5 stops. It also has the CPL plus magnetic adapter ring, which is you can use for your 67mm, 72mm, 77mm, and 82mm filter thread mount sa iba't ibang yung mga lenses. And it also has a travel bag. Uy, ang ganda ng bag. Kinda leather texture. Let's see what's inside the bag. First, I had the manual. And then we have accessories, screwdriver, a thumb screw, spare thumb screw, dalawang maliit na tornilyo. Here at the bag, we have the variable ND, 1.5 stop to 5 stops. So it's here. So it's just a single glass, magnetic mount, and then the CPL. I think pagpapatungin mo siya para ma-achieve mo yung variable ND filter. It's also magnetic. I'll show you later kung paano siya i-set up. Cinema filter frame holder. It fits 4 inches by 5.65 with 4mm thickness. So yung nakita yung Phillips screw kanina na maliit, that is for detaching this filter so you can put the cinema filters inside. Again, this is also magnetic. And then finally, the Mattebox holder. It's a combination of aluminum and plastic material para it's lightweight. It's similar or a little bit more lighter weight than my Tilta Mini Mattebox. Let's unlock this. Nandito yung aking mga mounting bracket. I have the 67mm mounting bracket, 72mm mounting bracket, the 77mm mounting bracket, and then the 82mm mounting bracket is already attached to my Mattebox. It has a lock so you can quickly release the drop-in filter holder. And make sure naka-unlock siya. Ayan. This is our drop-in magnetic filter holder. First, you have to mount the CPL. Make sure nakaharap yung label niya when mounting. And then lastly, our variable ND filter. The variable ND is now working. Now, I can put it back dito sa aking Mattebox filter. Make sure again, it is locked. Let's try to install this sa ating camera. Kuhain natin yung ating Z-Cam. Itong lente na gamit ko is 50mm and it has a 77mm filter thread size. I have to mount it sa aking lens. And then again, tight lock. And again, you can easily remove your variable ND by unlocking this thread here. Ayan. Pag nakalock na yan, hindi na mahila yan. To install a cinema Mattebox filter, you just have to remove the latch again. And then there you go. And you can easily adjust your exposure by adjusting the knob. So there you go. If you want to order, you can just send us a message. That's our Kase magnetic Mattebox filter.